Okay, so I just thought about it while I'm on the update catalog for Microsoft. Oh, here we'll go here. Zoom out, damn thing. There we go. All right. So they have anything you could think of. Let's see. Here's Windows 7. Boom. There's all of them. All the security updates, all the quality controls, the quality roll-ups, all of them. Network Framework 4.8 for Windows Embedded Standard 7, which I need that. Wait, no, wrong one. You gotta go over here and click download. It's gonna pull up. Well, it's only got one, so okay. Look how fast that downloads. Let's see if this works. Oh wait, look at there. Net Framework 3.5.1, 4.5.2, 4.6, 4.6.1, 4.6.2, 4.7, 4.7.1. All of them for the Windows Servers 2008. Huh, maybe I should do that one instead. No, I'm gonna go with door number 2 here. I'm gonna go for door number 2. All right, so there's a whole list. MSI patch, registry fix, AMD 64. I like my EXEs, but which one's which? I want to just give you a bunch of numbers and you can't tell. We're gonna go with the, I would say the newest one, largest number. Maybe, we'll see. We'll see. Play some music.
An explosive was confirmed. Sheriff's office said the ordinance was taken to.
Nothing but commercials all the time on the radio. It's sad.
You say 42 cents again.
I thought it was a little dark in here. Hey, there we go. Now we got some light. Well, that's a service pack. There's a disc burner. Oh, I can't stand it. Oh, software update does not apply or is blocked by another condition on your computer. All right, so probably because of this, it's the whole service pack. I would say it's all included. I would hope anyway. It's a smart card driver. A smart card. AMD 64 and x86. See, that makes me wonder about that AMD 64. Well, I guess I'll just wait and we'll see what this bad boy do. It's installing, so I've already downloaded it, unzipped it. See, this is, if you get this, operating system is not supported. You need Windows 7 SP1 or Server 2008 R2 SP1 to install Internet Explorer 11. And that's what this is. So, yep, you can even get Windows 8.1. You can get any of the server editions, any of them. See, there's all of them right there. And these are all good signed downloads. You can install them. They are good. Microsoft likes to keep this thing hidden. They don't want you to know how to keep your shit up to date, so you keep rolling on. I mean, I'm on Windows 7, and this damn thing is lightning fast for its age. Yeah. So I'm thinking about putting 8.1 back on my Inspiron. Let's see, HP, Windows, wait, no, let's do this. Windows 10, HP, operating system, recover. Oh, HP Pavilion. Incompatibility. Oh, no shit. Well, that might get my R2-D2 and my Star Wars Command Center to work on my Star Wars Pavilion. All right, I'm about to have to jump on there and go to that. I'm going to bookmark that so I know what other cool stuff they have in here. Let's see. Yeah, I was trying to keep this video short, so I'm going to keep it on short. But yep, that's how you do it, though. All right. Brady's tips and tricks later. Tell him bye, Uncle Lewis. Later, niggas.